Good evening, folks. It's your favorite electronic salesman, Stan Stanart with Roxwood Electronics, here to bring you exciting information about our new pager model. ELE Electronics does it again, folks, with a brand new pager model, the Intellipage. Use the arrow keys to cycle through the menu. Check the time, your last pages, view your own number, and erase all pages. To select a menu, go hit the green button. Go back, hit the red button. Select Send Page, then subscribe to a channel. Pick your channel, hit Confirm, and now you're ready to send. To send a message, you're going to select Page Channel. Pick your channel, type your message. So what are you waiting for, folks? Come on down to Roxwood Electronics, ask for Stan, and get your ELE Intellipage Pager now. And one more thing, folks. Long live ELE.